If you want to learn how to go back on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then it is actually pretty simple, especially if you use buttons for navigation. So if you have these three buttons at the bottom of the screen, then you want to use this arrow. It can also be positioned on the left side over here if you find it more convenient like that. And if you tap on it, then you will go back to the previous menu. In some cases, some apps also have additional back button that is, for example, in the top left corner, just like in the settings over here. So you can tap on this button as well in order to go back. And if you use gestures, or if you want to use gestures, then you can go to display settings, and then here you can go to navigation bar, and then you should be able to switch to swipe gestures. Now, if you use swipe gestures, if you want to simply go back, then you can drag your finger from the left side of the phone towards the middle, and if you do so, then you will have this arrow over here. This is the indicator that you are about to go back. Of course, you can do this much faster in order to go back. And if you want to, for example, go to the home screen, then you need to swipe from the bottom of the screen and move it to the middle like this. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!